Hey guys, my name is Ricoh and I am the author of The Rise of the Vetrepreneur. So The Vetrepreneur is a book that I've just finished written out that I'll be going to market here in the next couple of weeks. And the idea behind the book was to capture the journey of the veteran entrepreneur and what the pain, the suffering, the heartache, and the mind frame of we could do anything with nothing and make something, okay? That was the reason I wrote the book. Not to highlight people's businesses or anything like that, but more so to capture the journey in which we as veterans go through and how much we're kicking ass in our own marketplace. And also to highlight the effects that we know how to make things happen when under pressure, when our back is against the wall, we have nothing else to produce results, which I fucking love, okay? That was one of the ideas behind the book. And as I interviewed Grunt Style, 18 Series Nutrition, Kyle Brau's Epic Fitness, and also American Grains, we started peeling back this onion and started noticing that, man, we all go through the same trials and tribulations, but yet we dipped in the candy jar of our military service training and we're like, holy shit, man, we actually know how to fortitude forward, make things happen, and implement our own discipline. It's gonna be late nights, it's gonna be hard work, relationship building, relationship losing, people trying to screw you over left and right, and all that is captured in the book. And I can't wait for you guys to actually take a look and take a listen. Okay, so when it comes to market, in the next few weeks, it'll be on Amazon, Audible, also on printable version as well, on iTunes, possibly on Stitcher, and Overstack, and all these other ones. Please let me know and look over the information and also reference it. And if you're like, hey Rico, we got some feedback for you, I would love it. Even if it's negative, I don't care, bring it to me. If you got some positive feedback, that's fantastic. You can post it wherever you want. Put a good review, whatever you want. This is kind of your book, okay? So whenever it comes out, just let us know. I look forward to meeting you guys virtually or in person whenever we do the book release as well here in Scottsdale, Arizona, or Phoenix, Arizona. We're still working those details out, okay? Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for your time.